Hey there, I'm Chef Ani, and today we are making mini hamburger buns. These are absolutely incredible, so fun to make and easy. Now the beauty in these is that you don't just have to use them for hamburgers, but you can also use them for little sliders. I love to just cut them in half and use a little vegan margarine along with some jam, and they're really good, just as rolls. And they look so cute and they're fun to make, and this is a neat recipe because you first make the dough and then you let it sit overnight so that while you sleep, this beautiful dough is just making itself into amazing rolls. Well, it's not really rolls when you wake up. A little more is required than just waking up. Wouldn't that be amazing? Some assembly required, but basically, you get the gist. It's basically making it while you sleep. So there you go. It's at least developing the flavor, absolutely. All right, well, I think that's enough, don't you? Yeah. So enough talking, let's get cooking. So we are going to start with some flour. I have a combination of flour here, whole wheat and all-purpose, but you know, you can customize this to what you like. See my recipe for details. And we are going to add some salt and some yeast. Set this aside while we work on the wet mixture. So in a pot, we are going to add some water, almond milk, some plant-based margarine, a little bit of sweetener. Today I'm using all-natural cane sugar. Heat this up until it's warm to the touch. And if you have a thermometer, it'll be around 110 degrees. And as you can see, this is a really shaggy dough, and that's what we want. So then once you get it all mixed up, we are going to cover it and then leave it to sit overnight. So after your dough has sat for a few hours, it will look like this, very bubbly and happy. Now we are going to form it into a dough. Just flour my work surface. If you have one of these scrapers, much easier. Look how easy that comes out. Perfect. Now we are just going to flour it. Get some flour on your hands. It's nice to use the bench scraper if it's sticking to kind of get up under it and move it around. So we're going to form it into a ball, and we're going to leave it on quite a lot of flour because it's going to sit here for about an hour. Okay, so our dough has risen quite a bit, and we are now going to divide it into 12. And then we just keep doing that. I just like to make a smooth outside to my dough, to my rolls, and then just pinch in the edges like this. This is gonna be amazing. Look at that. And then just give it a little wiggle. I just use the palm of my hand, very loose fingers on the board, like this. Don't squish it too much. You'll get a flat, flat roll. It was one of the first things I remember making as a kid. I remember I was so excited for Dad to come home, and as soon as he came in the door, I'm like, Dad, try my rolls. I made rolls today. Look at our beautiful rolls. Don't these look incredible? We are going to cover it with a piece of saran wrap. We're going to let these rest for about an hour. So let's take a look at our rolls. Ooh, don't those look so good? Once your rolls have risen for about an hour, we're going to pop them in the oven to bake. So our rolls have just come out of the oven. Don't they look amazing? What do you think, Mom? Look good?
They do. I can't wait.
Yes. So all we have left to do is to try them. And you know what? I'm very excited to eat them. I don't know, when it first comes out of the oven, I just like a little bit of margarine. That is really good. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to join me in this adventure to eat healthier, one recipe at a time. And I look forward to seeing you next Wednesday with another video.